Awesome woodwork B-roll. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Another time I edit some of my old footages, this time woodwork. Let's watch it. Yeah, it was something. Actually, there was lots of footages, and the rough cut process was pretty exhausting. You notice the color of every footage are different because there was many footages and I had to put them in some kind of category. After doing rough cut, I put footages in order, see how was it, find more footages. After the cutting was done, I choose a music and final cut the video. Start the color correction and color grading. After that, see how the video turns out, change the ending, and that was it. One tip: if you have lots of footages, make sure you label the footage in different colors. This way you can create different categories, and because you know which color is for the specific category, the rough cut process can be easier. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.